Hello there, today we are going to see how to fix Elementor error 500. Go to plugin, add a new plugin, and then type optimize. This will pop up WP optimize. Install now, and after install it, it will appear activated. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, right now it's activated. You go to the plugin database and then it will check and then run all selected optimization. This will run. Why that problem happened? Because the database is full and maybe you have a lot of images and all of that. This plugin will optimize that to make it fast and easy to operate. After this complete, you will not get that problem again from Elementor. If you find this video helpful, please give your friend a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.